Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can automatically save the snaps on My Eyes Only. So for that, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. After that, select Settings. Now scroll until you can find the Memories option. Then toggle on the button beside the Save to My Eyes Only by Default option. After that, tap on the Quick Setup. Now create a password for your My Eyes Only. Then confirm your password. After that, accept the terms and policies and then tap on the Continue. Now tap on Finish and that's it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.